Hey guys, Ron here. It's Monday. We got a package from these guys. So, time for an unbagging. No unboxing, unbagging. This should be the frame for that guy. So, let's see how we do. Alright, I'll be back. So, this is how they sent it from China. In a plastic bag, and this was inside. Very interesting. Alright, let's see what we got. First it was a bag, then it was foam, now it's plastic. Alright, let's check it out. All the way from China, look at that. Like I said, I was going to build one, but I couldn't build it for this price. Depending on the quality. Even if it's crap, I couldn't build it for this price. Alright guys, I'll be back. I gotta tell you, this is the toughest. This had miles of tape and bubble wrap on it. It was ridiculous. So, let's see what we got. So far the quality seems pretty decent, but light. So here it is. Bottom tray, hardware, comes with standoffs and screws. I don't know what that is yet, I'll figure that out. And the side pieces. So, any 5-year-old can put this together, so I gotta go out and find a 5-year-old. Nah, it should be alright. No instructions, shouldn't need it. No nuts and bolts, it looks like it just screws together with self-tappers. I'm gonna take a look at that and get back to you guys. This rail already has a nice piece of foam attached to it, which is peeling up, but I can glue it back, which is we're resting. So let's see what we got. That's what it's supposed to look like. Ah. Hey guys. Yeah, so it's coming together. Assembling it is easy, and it's really strong once it's all bolted together correctly. Comes with all the hardware, standoffs, and all that good stuff. Foam padding on this low bar for the graphics cards, and mounting guard hardware on there. So pretty good for like 60 bucks shipped from China. Free shipping, no tax. Alright guys, I'll be back. Alright guys, there it is. Now you think all that mess plus fans are going to fit in this? Should be interesting to see. A couple of pieces I can't figure out what they are. What do you think this is? What do you think this is? It's a metal piece. Let me know if you think you know what that is. Let me know. Alright guys, so we relocated the operation over here. So we got to get all this stuff nice and neat into this frame. And make it a nice package. What do you think? We can do it. Alright. Of course, every time I do this stuff, it's 100 degrees out and 100% humidity. So if you hear the fans going, sorry guys. Alright, I'll be back. Hey guys, we're getting there. It's a little weird, but I can make it work. The second power supply is going to have to be on external somehow. That's no big deal. But it really neatens up the package. And I was able to eliminate a lot of connectors by going direct with shorter runs. Alright, we'll keep going. Alright guys. Hey guys, Ron here. So I had to do a little improvising in here, but she's coming together. More of a pain than it might be worth, I think. I don't know. But actually, the whole package narrows down to a nice small unit. So. I'm going to have to put the second power supply external on that little table. But I got the fans, I got everything's hooked up, SATA data on the USB, HDD, STD, sorry guys, SSD. Got all these boards plugged in. I got to put a 6-pin on that, which I got to get from the other power supply. But it all came together. It was a bit of a pain, but it was nice. It was worth it. Alright, I'll be back. Maybe. Hey guys, first smoke test. Came up on the first shot. Only one fan isn't coming on. Everything else seems to be working. We'll expand it from here. I think it looks pretty good. It definitely works. I got to use that second supply, so I'll build a bigger frame. But definitely narrows the package down, and it's easy to pick it up and move it anywhere, no problem. So another adventure done. Thanks guys. If this works out, then I'll switch to 8 gig 580s, like 6 cards, then I'll make some money. I'll be making a big box. Alright guys, see you later. So this power supply is just using just the 6 pin for this card. When I add more cards, I need more 6 and 8 pins. That'll be there for that. And I got some more Molex on here for additional things. But I think it came out pretty good, considering. All done in house. Yeah, so I'll tighten this up a little bit later, but she's up and running again, doing benchmarks. I actually like it. It's pretty cool. I couldn't have built that frame. I'm gonna get like 3 or 4 more. But try not to be enough room in there. It looks a little messy, but it's really not bad. Really not bad at all. Anyway, time to clean up the giant mess, and I'll see you guys a little later. Threadripper coming up. Threadripper build, 128 gigs of memory. Really set up nice. 4K editing for a buddy, for a friend of mine's business. Alright guys, thanks for bearing with me. It sure is a lot nicer this way. I can pick the thing up and move it in 2 seconds, one-handed even. And we'll see. I'll see what other mods I can make for this. But I figured out just buying the raw metal and making it. It's going to cost me more than $60. So this is fun. These are cheap cards though. Once I get some good cards, I'll sell these cards. But I still got a WindForce in there, and I got the one that you saw in the 960. And he's in there, and that's a really good card. It comes with a great bench score. This one's a little bit older. That works fine on. You see the reflection. So it's nice. All right, guys. Happy flying out for now. See you on the runway. Ciao. See you guys.